Hello everybody, I'm Justin Dom and welcome to Dom Engineering. Today we're going to be talking about automation and basic components that we use every day. So first we have to ask, what is automation? Automation is the process of automatically doing something via a system as opposed to having a human go and do something manually. So the key components in a manufacturing system are that we have motors. Motors drive all the motion in a manufacturing process. And two keys to that are protection to make sure that they operate at safe power levels, and control, which tells it when it is allowed to move and when it's not. First, with protection, we have circuit breakers, fusing, or other thermal protection. These, in the event of a power or excess power, will trip and prevent power from going into the circuit. So now for the control part, there are two different options that are in our everyday systems. We have both hardwired and we have programmed versions. Hardwired versions use components such as these. They're controlled by buttons or switches that someone manually goes and moves, and they'll either stay in position or reset. Or we can have a programmed HMI or operator panel, which an engineer will program from the start, and it can have many different functions and different configurations as your things change. In hardwired circuits, we use relays and contactors which will activate in certain conditions in order to control a circuit. In programming version, we use PLCs, which take in various inputs and outputs, and they will go and control based on those what needs to be turned on or turned off. These also have functions built into them such as timers and other logic processing. In the case of powering motors, in the hardwired versions, we have motor starters, which use a circuit protection and thermal overload, a contactor which allows for control, and in other cases where we might just have a breaker instead of an MSP, we would have an overload on the end to provide that same thermal protection. In the programming world, we use drives, which allow someone to configure things and set many different parameters that you otherwise can't get with a hardwired soft starter. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next episode of Dumb Engineering. I may be dumb, but I'm not stupid.